A lot of people think they need 20% down to buy a house. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why that's inaccurate and give you a different perspective on how you should think about the down payment on your next home. One of the biggest misconceptions in mortgage and real estate is that you need a 20% down payment to buy a house. You know, some people even say that you're being financially irresponsible if you don't put 20% down and purchase. And now maybe that made sense when houses were like $100,000 40, 50 years ago. But in today's world where the average house is $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, it's pretty difficult to think of saving that much money to purchase your first home. So first, let's talk about how down payment actually impacts your interest rate and the mortgage that you wind up getting. You know, for most people, there is no difference in rate whether you put 5% down or 25% down. The only difference is the mortgage insurance cost that you have and how long it might stay on that loan before it falls off. The trap many homeowners fall into is that they don't take the time to have a basic conversation of what they could do today with the cash they have today, using today's rates and today's housing prices. You know, in 2013, 16, and 21, those were the last ultra low rate cycles. And it wasn't uncommon for us to have conversations where people said, yeah, this looks good, but I don't like the PMI. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna save up more money and put a bigger down payment. And then fast forward, by the time they made that decision and they had that bigger down payment, housing prices jumped 5 to 10%, interest rates were 0.5 to 1% higher. And the thing they say every time, I should have just bought 6 months ago. Now the reality is, everyone out there, in the moment of thought, I think I wanna buy a house. In that moment, have a conversation with the mortgage lender. Find out exactly what you could do. It might not be the right time for you to buy a house, but it might be. And the last thing you need is that doubt. So have the conversation. At the Downs Group of Vela Mortgage, we take pride in learning all about you and helping people map out their real estate journey.